In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Dollskill discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Dollskill promo code, discount promo code. Right here, select this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. So as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 50% of discount, all you have to do right here is select your coupon code, and this is the promo code that you can copy from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this promo code with 20% off discount store-wide, all you have to do is select copy codes from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.